In this video, I'll guide you through how to make a dynamic block in Klaviyo. Whether you're new to Klaviyo or looking to refine your skills, creating dynamic blocks is an essential way to personalize your email marketing campaigns. Dynamic blocks allow you to customize content based on specific criteria or user profiles, making your messages more relevant and effective. Let's dive into the process. First, direct your attention to the left-hand configuration panel. This panel is your command center for customizing your email templates in Klaviyo. Here, you'll find various tabs and options, but what we're interested in today is the Display Options tab. This tab holds the key to unlocking the dynamic potential of your email content. Go ahead and click on it. Once you've opened the Display Options tab, the next step is to locate the Create Logic button. Depending on your version of Klaviyo or any recent updates, this button might also be labeled as Show or Hide Logic. Don't let the different labels confuse you. They serve the same purpose. Clicking this button will open up the conditional settings, which is where the magic happens. Now that you have the conditional settings open, it's time to input your specific conditions. This is where you'll define the rules that determine when and how your dynamic block appears. Klaviyo uses what's known as liquid syntax formulas to set these conditions. If you're not familiar with liquid syntax, no worries, it's a straightforward and powerful templating language that allows you to insert dynamic content easily. Start by considering what profile, property, or event condition you want to use. For example, you might want to show a particular block only to users who have purchased a specific product or who have a certain attribute in their profile, like being part of a loyalty program. Enter these conditions into the logic box using the appropriate liquid syntax. This might look like using an if statement, such as if customer has purchased product A, or if member is part of the loyalty program. As you input these conditions, take your time to ensure they are correctly formatted. Liquid syntax is powerful, but it does require precision. Even a small typo can result in the logic not working as expected. If you're new to liquid syntax, it might be helpful to have Klaviyo's documentation handy as a reference. Once you've entered your conditions, review them carefully to ensure they align with your campaign goals. This step is crucial because your logic determines how personalized and relevant your email content will be. A well-crafted dynamic block can significantly enhance user engagement by delivering the right message to the right audience. After reviewing your settings, you're ready to save your changes. With your dynamic block set up, you now have a powerful tool at your disposal to tailor your email marketing campaigns more effectively. This approach not only improves the user experience, but also boosts your conversion rates by making your emails more targeted and relevant. And there you have it. You've successfully created a dynamic block in Klaviyo. Remember, the key to mastering dynamic blocks is understanding your audience and crafting conditions that align with their behaviors and preferences. Practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to experiment and refine your logic as you become more comfortable with Klaviyo's features. Thank you for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on maximizing your email marketing success. Happy emailing!